Hi everybody. As you start with your class 9th, let me talk about the syllabus you're going to study for class 9th. And then I also want to tell you that how do you study for your second term. So before we talk about your syllabus, let me tell you most important thing is most of the students must have felt that when they were studying for their first term syllabus, they realized that they did something wrong with their studies. For example, there are many of you when you study for your exams who feel that a particular topic when you were doing for your exams was really easy and you realized that you did not study on time. So let me talk about the realization of the fact that where you went wrong when you were studying for your first term syllabus. So the first thing which I would like to mention here is all of you should make it a point, make your minds clear that science is never tough. It is only our thought which makes science tougher. We feel there's a lot of syllabus, we feel we'll not be able to understand, but ultimately when you study for your exams, you feel that you can do it. So the point is studying at the right time and in the right manner. There are students who study for the UT, get good marks, and then they leave those chapters, least bothering that they should be revised again before their exams, because we have that something in our mind that that chapter is already done, so we need not do it again. So ultimately what do we do is we open it at the last moment and start revision, which takes a lot of time, and that is where we actually feel that science is tough. So we must have this in our mind that science is easy, it can be done, you can score marks, but please plan to study science, plan your time, plan your syllabus, and then start studying science. Now, since you're starting with your second term, let me talk about the marks of different topics and what all the manner in which you're going to study science. Let's talk of bio. Bio will be for 25 marks this time, and there are two topics. One is why do we fall ill, and the second topic is diversity. Both of these topics have a lot of learning in them. So how do you study? First thing is study those chapters and start writing them in your own words in points, not in paragraphs. That will make these topics really easy. Whenever you will be talking about a particular disease or a particular variety of an organism, those points will help you in quick revision. So the exact way of studying bio would be writing syllabus in points and then revising those points. Then we'll talk about physics. Physics this time will come for 36 marks, where we have three topics: flotation, work and energy, and sound. Now all these topics as compared to your first term syllabus are not very tough, and moreover they're only application based. So they have little of theory in them and little bit of numericals. So if you do your topic once, do some numericals, that will make it enough. And then before your exams, whatever you do for your UT, before your exams, go through those numericals and that theory once. That is enough. Now let's talk of chemistry this time, which is most important for the second term syllabus, because it is in this class where you will be introduced to numericals in chemistry. Chemistry this time will be for 17 marks, and two topics are structure of atom and atoms and molecules. For those two topics, I would like to mention that these topics will actually help you in understanding the basics of chemistry. So for these topics, you need lot of practice. There are numericals which have to be done regularly. That means you need to practice the topic mole concept on a regular basis so that you develop confidence regarding that topic. And once you know this topic, you will feel that you know chemistry well. And then also we have one more unit for the second term, that's our environment. It has only two topics in it. Now for this topic, I would say it comes for 12 marks, but it's not as tough. This topic means go through this topic, read it, write down in your own words. Those notes, last moment revision will be sufficient for your best score. So finally students, since I've told you how to write down notes, I've told you how to study science, but then I would emphasize again and again on saying that practice makes science easy. So be focused, manage your time well, plan your syllabus for science, and then study. You will never ever say science is tough. Wishing you all the best for your second term.